Hello everyone. Today our topic for discussion is Prime Minister of India. So my dear students, as we know that the Prime Minister of India is the part of, he's a Prime Minister of India is a part of Union Executive. Part of Union Executive. Union Executive. Part 5th of Indian Constitution from Article 52 to 78 deals with Union Executive, and Prime Minister is a part of Union Executive along with President of India, Vice President of India, Council of Ministers and Attorney General of India. So we see that Prime Minister is a part of Union Executive, and in the scheme of parliamentary system of government, provided by the Constitution, the President is the nominal executive authority. याद रखना, President क्या है? President, nominal executive authority. President is the nominal executive authority. De jure authority. It's also known as de jure authority. President is the de jure authority or nominal executive authority. Clear? And we see that Prime Minister is the real executive authority. Prime Minister क्या है? PM. Prime Minister, real executive authority or de facto executive. De jure executive or de facto executive. De jure executive and de facto executive. Now the difference between nominal executive and real executive. So for the nominal executive, we see that nominal executive simply means a person. Is a person who heads the government, who heads the executive branch, but does not have the power to execute major and important decisions. So nominal means head of executive branch, but does not have a power to execute major decisions of the country. But the real executive simply means real executive is a leader who holds the power and makes, we see that, important decisions of the country. Real executive is a leader, holds power and makes important decisions of the country. So this was a difference between the two. Important difference between nominal executive and real executive. So we see that in other words, President of India is head of state. President is the head of state. In other words, President is head of state and Prime Minister is head of government. Clear? In other words, in simple words, we can say that President is the head of state and Prime Minister is head of government. Clear? So we see that the Prime Minister of India, or which is described as a keystone of our cabinet. Keystone of our cabinet. Prime Minister of India is described as keystone of our cabinet. Prime Minister of India is described as keystone of our cabinet. Clear? And Indian Prime Minister, like his British counterpart, enjoys the position of first among the equals. Like his English counterpart, the Prime Minister of India, he enjoys the position of first among the equals. याद रखना. We see that Indian Constitution specifically places Prime Minister at the head of Council of Ministers. Prime Minister is the head of Council of Ministers. Prime Minister is the head of Council of Ministers, the Indian Constitution specifically, we see that this Indian Constitution specifically place Prime Minister of India at the head of the Council of Ministers. At the head of the Council of Ministers, we see that he has a power. He has a power to select. He has a power. Prime Minister of India के पास power है to select other ministers of the Council of other ministers. जो भी Council of Ministers, other ministers select कौन कर रहा है? Power किसके पास है? Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister, and he can advise President. He can also advise President. We see that dismissal of any of them. Clear? No. We see that the Constitution does not mention any. We see that contain any specific procedure for the selection and appointment of the Prime Minister of India. Constitution of India जो है वहाँ पे कोई does not contain any specific procedure नहीं है किसके लिए selection and appointment of Prime Minister of India. But Article 75 of Indian Constitution, it mentions that Article 75 of Indian Constitution. Article 75. Article 75 of Indian Constitution. Article 75 of Indian Constitution mentions that we see that the Prime Minister shall be appointed by President. The Prime Minister, PM, shall be appointed by President. So Article 75 mentions that the Prime Minister shall be appointed by Prime Minister. कौन appoint करता है? President. However, this does not imply that the President is free. So this does not imply that the President is free to choose. We can say or appoint anyone as Prime Minister. No, the President has to appoint. The leader of the majority party in the Lok Sabha. President appoint leader of majority party. Leader of majority party in Lok Sabha. Article 75 says that the Prime Minister shall have appointed by this President, but this does not imply that the Prime Minister has powers to appoint any person. That President is free to appoint anyone as the Prime Minister of India. No, the President has to appoint the leader of the majority. Party in Lok Sabha as the PM, as the Prime Minister. But when no party, याद रखना ये बात, when no party has a clear majority, जब किसी पार्टी के पास clear majority नहीं हो, when no party has clear majority in the Lok Sabha, then the President may exercise his discretion power. President exercise क्या करता है फिर? May exercise his discretion power. याद रखना discretion power क्या होते हैं? President के पास power है suspensive veto, जिसे कहते हैं suspensive veto. Discretion powers, because of that the President exercise suspensive vote. Veto भी कहते हैं vote, suspensive vote means that he returns the bill. Return करता है bill कहाँ पे? Parliament में for reconsideration. So we see that this President, the President, he enjoys suspensive vote. He exercise suspensive vote. That is when he returns bill for reconsideration of the Parliament. But we see that अगर clear majority नहीं होगी पार्टी में, so President क्या कर सकते? He can exercise discretion powers exercise कर सकते. First time अगर हम देखेंगे इंडिया में 1979 में, याद रखना 1979 में फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया प्रेसिडेंट ने क्या एक्सरसाइज किया? डिस्क्रिएशन पावर्स 1979 में. ठीक है ना? वी सी दैट एट दैट टाइम The president of India was Sanjay Reddy. Sanjay Reddy. Sanjay Reddy was president of India in 1979. फिर क्या उस टाइम he appointed चरण सिंह. इसने अपॉइंट किसको किया? चरण सिंह, याद रखना, चरण सिंह को अपॉइंट किया लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन. लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन. क्लियर? चरण सिंह. So we see that Charan Singh, leader of opposition, appointed by President Sanjay Reddy. Sanjay Reddy ने इसको अपॉइंट किया कब? 1979 में as the prime minister, after the fall of जनता पार्टी गवर्नमेंट. याद रखना, after the fall of जनता पार्टी गवर्नमेंट, जनता पार्टी गवर्नमेंट के फॉल के बाद, headed by मोरारजी देसाई. जनता पार्टी मोरारजी देसाई. मोरारजी देसाई was prime minister of India at that time. जब उसकी गवर्नमेंट, we see that after the fall of his government, Sanjay Reddy, he was a president of India at that time. He appointed Charan Singh, उसने अपॉइंट किया leader of opposition as the prime minister of India. ठीक है ना? So मोरारजी देसाई, याद रखना, first non-Congress PM of India, prime minister of India. इंडिया का पहला नॉन कांग्रेस प्राइम मिनिस्टर. क्लियर? मोरारजी देसाई. ठीक है ना? सो वी सी दैट, सो प्रेसिडेंट के पास पावर्स क्या है? डिस्क्रिएशन पावर्स. Constitutionally, we see that Prime Minister may be a member of any of the two houses of parliament. याद रखना, Constitutionally अगर हम देखेंगे, Prime Minister क्या है? Member of any houses of two parliament. Member of any of two houses of parliament. Member of any of two houses of parliament. Constitutionally अगर हम देखेंगे. ठीक है ना? Now अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे oath of the Prime Minister of India. ठीक है ना? So far the oath of the Prime Minister of India is concerned. We see that the President of India administers the oath ceremony. Oath of the office. Oath of the Prime Ministers. Clear? We see that this before the Prime Minister enters upon his office, President of India administers. We see that to him the oath of office, and we see the office and secrecy in his oath of office. So we see that Prime Minister swears. क्या oath लेता है Prime Minister? Administer कौन करता है? याद रखना, President. ठीक है ना? We see that President administer करता है. oath क्या? We see that he swears. Prime Minister कसम लेता है. क्या लेता है कसम? To bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India. अपने कंट्री के प्रति वफादार रहने की कसम, वफादारी का कसम. ठीक है ना? कौन लेता है? Prime Minister. To be क्या है? To uphold, to bear the true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India. ठीक है ना? And also to uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. ठीक है ना? Third, faithfully and constitutionally discharge his duties of his office. Faithfully and constitutionally. oath है. Clear? Duties of his office. ठीक है ना? So वो now अब हम बात करेंगे term. Now term of the Prime Minister, term of PM डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है ना? We see that the term of Prime Minister is not fixed. याद रखना, term of PM is not fixed. Term of Prime Minister is not fixed. Because why? As he holds his office during the pleasure of the President. He holds office. He enjoys the office, holds the office during the pleasure of President. याद रखना, during the pleasure of President. No fixed term is not fixed because we see that Prime Minister holds the office during the pleasure of President. Clear? And we see that, but this does not mean, याद रखना, but this does not mean that the president can dismiss the prime minister at any time. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि prime minister किसी भी वक्त president किसी भी वक्त prime minister को dismiss कर सकता है. No, this does not mean that the prime minister can dismiss the prime minister at any time, so long as the prime minister enjoys majority. याद रखना, जब तक prime minister enjoy majority, लोकसभा में इसकी majority हो, ठीक है ना, in the Lok Sabha, he cannot be dismissed by the president. उसको president dismiss नहीं कर सकता है. Clear? So this was term of the president. Now we see that salary and allowances of the PM. Salary and allowances of PM. So far the salary and allowances of the Prime Minister of India is concerned, decided by the salaries and allowances of the Prime Minister is decided by the Parliament of India from time to time. So Parliament of India is responsible. Parliament of India decides salary and allowances of Prime Minister of India from time to time. Clear? So this was all about the Prime Minister of India. In my next video we will हम discuss करेंगे powers and functions of Prime Minister of India. So my dear students, वीडियो को देखने के साथ साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियोस को शेयर और लाइक करना ना भूलिए.